Hi, I'm Arif Hedges Animal Pictures. Blue whale, elephant, giraffe, ostrich, cheetah, sailfish, peregrine falcon, shark, lion, hippopotamus, elephant, Cape buffalo, hare, tiger, rhinoceros, leopard, crocodile, lion cub, tiger cub, elephant calf, snow leopard cub, bear cub, deer fawn, kangaroo, kangaroo joy, ostrich chick, zebra foal, monkey infant, fox kid, hyena cub, hippopotamus calf, giraffe calf, and rhinoceros calf. Dolphin, narwhal, octopus, sea lion, jellyfish, killer whale, blue whale, seahorse, sea turtle, shark, squid, stingray, shrimp, crab, swordfish, butterfly fish, starfish, lobster, crab, the end.